When you're using Google Ads, it can get difficult and time-consuming to manual bid for the ad auction. This is where Google Ads Smart Bidding comes in. Machine learning is used to analyze and set the best possible bids. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. To be successful, you need a Google Ads bidding strategy and a little input to help you. Here's how to do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Selecting the right strategy. To start with, you need to choose the best Google Ads bidding strategy for your goals. Do you want to increase your conversions, decrease your cost per acquisition, or get a certain return on ad spend? When you've chosen your goal, you can choose a suitable strategy to help you achieve that and begin. Number 2. Waiting. Next, you need to wait it out. This is where the learning period comes in. It can take a week for the smart bidding algorithm. But not only that, the conversion delay or time between the click and the conversion is important too. After a week, you may want to wait a week or 2 more for the algorithm to gather data. You can then wait the additional conversion delay period after that to begin your analysis. Number 3. Continue to optimize. Now, you can start to get a lot more strategic about how you optimize your Google Ads bidding strategy. Here you can make adjustments to the creative you're using, work on your landing page, or even improve your mobile shopping experience for users to enhance your results, all of which will help the bidding algorithm to perform better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.